Let's hope that nothing bad happens.
You already fucked up this day, bro.
Yeah,
something's about to go wrong. So essentially, you don't want to take off your wheel, and then there's a bolt right there.
2,000 years later.
Oh shit, she's on there good. Yeah, I gotta go from the other angle. Okay, just don't let it fall on me. Oh fuck. Yeah, I think we need some PB blaster.
Which way is loose? I think you need a breaker bar. Like a big ass tube.
Yeah, how you get?
Fuck my back.
I'm gonna go get some PB blaster. It would help, right?
No.
No.
What's that?
You don't know? It's like
You know what? Should we jack up the car more?
Yeah. Right there, perfect.
Lift it up.
Oh yeah, it's getting looser, don't you think?
There we go. Teamwork.
That's gonna be a bitch getting it back on though. Think of that.
Yeah.
You have to have it so tight. So wait, is it loose?
Yeah.
Oh, we're good. Yeah, so just leave it there for now, and I'll just come at the top.
You know, right now it's like this, and it only goes like this.
You bastard. You bastard.
All right, so step number 2.
So wait a minute. Left, loose.
Loose? Is it?
Yeah, it's loose. Man, that's gonna be really hard to get it in there.
Yeah, just drop the seats.
Check that shit out. We made it.
Cool.
After, you know, we damn near ruined them. Is that all we gotta do?
I didn't finish watching the video, so I don't know. So now that we got that situated.
Just, we got it, boy. It's that
Oh
easy.
shit.
We got it.
Do we need to jack it up more?
I think we do.
Oh shit, bro.
Damn near killed me.
Oh shit. Back up.
Yeah, try to get it out the top.
And then, no, just try to angle it.
Yo, I think it's stuck. Wait, I got it.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Come on, bro. Just a little bit more. Push.
I just don't want to get it stuck.
Oh shit.
Okay, you right.
Dang.
We got it.
So now we gotta put the collar on there.
Yeah, we basically look at this is maxed out. There's basically no. I don't think there's any preload on this.
I think there has to be.
No, there's an
preload.
adapter. Yeah, there is preload, but not much. I don't know. Okay, well now what do we do?
I don't know, dude. How do we take that shit off?
I don't know.
I mean,
I
I think this spins off, right? And that one stays.
Yeah.
That one stays tight.
Should we have tried to adjust that first? What the hell is this? That's fucked.
Does this spin?
Probably. Twisted.
Probably should have done that on the car.
Oh, that doesn't look good.
Wait, everything
know.
spins, huh?
Yeah.
Fuck. I think we are fucked.
I'm gonna ask the guy who actually did it.
So what's the plan now?
We put me on the spot. I don't know.
We don't know what we're doing.
We don't know what we're doing. Okay, bring the
And-
camera here. We're trying to take this apart and add new colors. Well, they're old collars, but I want to be able to adjust it. Right now you can't adjust the right height without the collars, and I don't know how to put it on. I don't know how to take this off, and I don't want to risk dying from this springs because they might blow, you know.
So we're gonna take it to a professional, and
We gave up.
we'll see you in part 2.
No matter what you press, it's just defrost. We gotta fix that. We're not doing the review today.
Oh,
We're testing.
We're not.
Okay, maybe.
All right, we're doing a test.
Well, yeah, I gotta make sure it's a
test review.
Got it.
I can't see shit, bro.
I got it. That's why I rolled the window down.
Fucking drive with your head out the window. Do your wipers work?
Yeah, but they they squeak. Even though I just replaced it.
Put your window up. Come on, let me put this window up. Oh wait.
Yeah. Okay. Exposed. No seatbelt because no airbag, no seatbelt. We die like real men. Should I send it?
Do you want to send it?
No. There's too many problems right now.
We gotta retry that. First, just do it in a second.
Yeah.
Get that full band. What?
Did you feel the boost?
It doesn't grip up though. It will be way faster if the rear actually hooks.
That's what I was telling you.
I didn't believe you.
No cam, zero camber. Yeah, no camber is a must. It doesn't look.
Wow. I stand corrected.
But it will drift like insane.
Dude, easy.
Let's hope that nothing bad happens.
You already fucked up this day, bro.
Yeah.
Something's about to go wrong. Look at that shit.
I can't see.
Oh shit. Motherfucker.
Is this the turn?
Dude, this is not stance friendly.
It is not.
There it is. Look at that sexy son of a bitch.